Hey, how's it going? My name is Patrick Mitzwing, and welcome to the Bitsgap results review. I've been using this software for quite a while now, beginning of or late in the year of 2023 into 2024. It is now May 13th, 2024. So since the beginning of the year, been using this product, and this is my honest thoughts about it and kind of my plan around using Bitsgap. I learned the strategy from Dan Hollings with the plan. He had a course out there, and basically thought it was a great idea on how to use some of the money I had, and to invest into this program. And so I guess early thoughts are, you can connect to really, many exchanges, any exchanges that has an API, really, you could connect to it. Right now I'm in live mode, and you could switch to demo mode as well and test out some pairs, coin pairs. So the way I use it is basically for spot trading, using the bots to trade for me. I have a total of 15 bots right now. I have about $34,000 invested in USD currency. It made me a profit of $14,830, basically from late December into January. So January, February, March, April, May, about four, little less than 5 months into this, $14,000 in profit. And basically, for the most part, I've been reinvesting back in. If not, I send it to my MetaMask account to invest in single coins. And I have a big goal for this, to take this to 250,000 by the end of this year. Not just with the profits of the bots, but like from me investing some more money into it from the way I make money outside of crypto, basically, and so investing back into this. So what you could do is, you find out some pairs that you like and you trade with it. And so, here's a net VR trading with USDT, and whatever's on the right side is what you get paid in your profits with. So this one below, PHA with Ethereum, is where, so I'm just going to hold that off. I'm getting paid in Ethereum profits for this. So if I, click on one of these, basically what you're doing is you're creating a pair that you're going to be trading, and you're going to give it these grid lines to trade within. And so if it moves above this line, these grid lines, a cool thing is these grid lines move up with it, and that's called trailing up. And so you're only making profit within these trade lines that that you set for the bot to trade in. If it goes below the bot, I'll show you one here. So these ones are out of range, just as jam. And so I was making money while it was in the grid line. So I started off down here, and then because this coin pair went up in value, the grid lines went up with it. The problem with that is when it went down, these grid lines don't follow down. I mean, you could put trailing down on, but it's going to cost you money to put grid lines down for trading down. So when it goes below the grid lines, what I do is basically, it's like hodl. You're basically holding on to the coin, and knowing that it'll go back up. And many times, these coins as you can see here, they go back up all the time. And so I'm not worried about the volatility of the coin, and it's just like hodl mode. What I'm waiting for too at the same time, so you could, when it goes below, I'm in hodl mode. When it goes back up, it's in grid lines and it's making money. And when it goes up even further, it's like reaping the rewards of holding a coin, and it 10xing, 20xing, 100xing. So you get to basically get all that benefit as well. And so I got about 7 of them that are below the grid, not making me money, but it's me just like holding these coins, like holding ORD, TIA, WOO, Métis, AVEX, CTI, Jamcoin. I'm just holding on to those coins. All these other coins, they're making me money. And right now, the beginning of this month, I have $800 in profit. That I live in Canada, so that's like $1,000 in profit, which is really really nice. So overall, I really like this Bitsgap software. Many coins to choose from. Very easy to start a trading pair. Maybe I'll do that in another video. But if you want to join, what happens is I have a link below. You can click on here to join Bitsgap, and you get a trial. And so you could join the trial. I'll get a bonus if you guys join through my link here. But I'm going to be posting more videos of how I'm using Bitsgap, the coins that I'm doing, my methodology around it. So if you want to learn more about Bitsgap and how to use it to create profits and how to put your money to work, subscribe this channel, because I'm going to be taking you on a journey every single day of how I'm profiting with cryptocurrency. With that, thank you guys so much. I recommend this product, and we'll see you later.